If you're encountering a manifest error on Convoy 2026, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem efficiently. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause manifest errors. Step 2. Restart the application. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear cache and data. Go to your device settings, find the Convoy 2026 app, and clear its cache and data. This will remove any corrupted files that might be causing the error. Step 4. Update the application. Check for any available updates for Convoy 2026 in your App Store. Updating to the latest version can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 5. Reinstall the application. If the error persists, uninstall Convoy 2026 from your device and then reinstall it. This will ensure you have a fresh copy of the app without any corrupted files. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the manifest error on Convoy 2026. If the issue continues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.